Hi everyone, meet Pedro. Hello Pedro, say hello. Hello. He wants to get out. This is my daughter's bird. We got him when he was about 2 weeks old. Me and my daughter hand raise him. But my daughter is working during the week, so during the week he's stuck with me. Isn't it? You want to get out? Okay, come here. But I can't really let him out because he's been flying and he wants to fly away. That's his problem. Isn't it, Pedro? Hey, Pedro. See? Go in there. I made him a little gourd. I only put that there today and he's still not used to it. Go inside. That's his favorite place, my hand. And he would normally sleep on my hand like that. Isn't it? Oh, he thinks he's human. So I haven't raised birds before or hand raised them. So this is my first time, and I think he's a boy, so we name him Pedro. Or we can call you Peter. Hey? Seems like a very clever bird. So I just bought this cage for him yesterday, and so as you can see, so he wants to crawl up on my shoulder. So I just take him inside, so that way you don't fly away, because he's been flying away. There you go. Hey Pedro, come here. Come on. There, come on, come on, come on. Wally suggested we should clip his wings, but I don't know about that. Hey? The poor thing. Oh, okay. Again, he's flying off. Pedro, come on, don't hurt yourself. Pedro, come here. Come here, baby. Come. Okay, come on. I'm gonna put you back in your cage. If you don't behave, he loves having the side of his neck tickled. Look at that. Oh, oh, nice. He's only 5 weeks old. You like that, don't you? Last night I spent an hour with him on my hand just like this while I was watching my shows on TV, and he was sleeping there like a little baby. Well, you still are a baby, aren't you? You just sleep like a baby like that. Okay, go there. Hey Pedro. Hey, you're biting, you're biting. You're so biting. Okay. Now I'm gonna make you a little ladder inside your cage. He's about to fall asleep again. Hey, you're gonna sleep on my hand again. You wanna sleep on my hand again. Okay, that's it. He's huddled up. That's it. I'm sleeping here again. He's got his head stuck. Look at him. Okay, I have to turn the camera off now, and I'm going to make you a toy. I'll put you back in your cage, okay?